In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete empty cells at the bottom in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet stretches on with endless blank space, it can make scrolling, printing, and sharing a little messy. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to remove those empty rows so your sheet ends exactly where your data does. Start by going to Google in your web browser. At the top right of the page, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you already have a tab open with Sheets, you can use that as well. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to clean up. This could be a file from your recent list or one in your drive. Give it a moment to load so everything is visible. Now identify where your actual data ends. Look at the row numbers along the left. Click the first empty row where you want deletion to start by clicking directly on its row number. Selecting the row number highlights the entire row, which is important for a clean removal. Scroll down to the very bottom of the empty area. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last empty row you want to remove. Holding Shift selects the entire block from your first click to your second click, capturing all the blank rows in one go. Before moving on, take a quick glance to make sure you didn't include any row that still has data. If your sheet has filters or hidden rows, make sure nothing important is being concealed in the range you've selected. With those rows highlighted, right-click on the selection. In the context menu that appears, choose Delete Rows, followed by the range shown. You'll see numbers in that option that match the rows you selected, and the exact wording may include something like Delete Rows 201-1000. Click that, and Google Sheets will remove those empty rows and pull the sheet up so it ends neatly where your data stops. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you accidentally removed a row you needed, press Undo right away to bring it back. Deleting rows is different from clearing values. Deleting actually removes the rows themselves, which is what you want to get rid of that extra blank space. After deletion, scroll to confirm your last data row is now the bottom of the sheet. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now tidier, easier to navigate, and ready to share or print without all the empty space at the end.